halos lahat naman tayo, pinangarap po natin na gusto nating umunlad at kumita ng maraming pera. Marami pong taong gustong yumaman, but hindi lahat ng tao ay naniniwala na sila ay yayaman. Sana all mayaman, tayo mismo ang sumisira ng ating pangarap. We are the dream stealers and we ourselves are the ones who's convincing ourselves that we cannot make it. Kaya natatakot minsan tayo mahusgahan. Kaya nga, okay na tayo. Sa comfort zone na lang tayo. The rich know something that you don't know. Ang pagyaman pala ay isang formula. Oo. If you know the formula of the rich, nako, magiging rich ka rin.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Friendship, hindi mo ba gusto yung work mo? Wala kang savings, baon sa utang, hindi mo tinatamaan ang financial goals mo. Huwag ka mag-alala dahil sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin on how you can make your first million. Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. I teach people on how to become wealthy and debt-free. So if you want to be part of this journey, please do subscribe and join this channel. Mga friendship, halos lahat naman tayo, pinangarap po natin na gusto nating umunlad at kumita ng maraming pera. Pero sa totoo lang, magandang isipin pero mahirap gawin. I myself have went through that journey and I made my first million through selling sa pagbebenta. Dito ko na-realize na talagang hindi ganun kadali, and I also face a lot of rejection, trials, and struggles. And I believe, marami po sa inyo na dumadaan din sa journey sa pinagdaanan ko. Kaya nga para sa mga taong nahihirapan at nagtatanong, bakit ka kaya nahihirapan ngayon? So, let me share with you why you are struggling. Number one, chances are you are having a wrong money mindset. Ito, dahil marami pong taong gustong yumaman. Nag-agree ba kayo? But hindi lahat ng tao ay naniniwala na sila ay yayaman. There's so many things that hold us back. Yung parang gusto natin magandang bahay. Tapos pag nakita mo na, nalaman mo yung presyo, naku,
ilang taong kong bubunuin yan. Grabe, buhay pa kaya ako noon para mabili ko tong bahay na ito.
Diba? Sa halip na sana all mayaman, hindi ko afford yan, hindi ko kaya yan, I don't think I can make it. So nagigets nyo, tayo mismo ang sumisira ng ating pangarap. We are the dream stealers and we ourselves are the ones who's convincing ourselves that we cannot make it. Kung gusto nyo maayos to, we need first to fix ourselves, okay? Fix something in the inside before we can fix something on the outside. Second reasons why people are struggling to make money is because of lack of financial planning. Ito naman yung practical side of money management. Sa totoo lang, kung ikaw ay nanonood, sumusweldo ka naman. Pero yun nga, nami-mismanage mo yung pera. Lack of financial discipline. Diba? Hindi mo alam kung paano mag-budget. Pag hindi mo alam paano mag-budget, nami-mismanage mo, ano yung next na papasok? Utang. Pag nautang ka na, pa-financially stress ka na. And the third major reason is because many people play it safe. Yun, yung parang ayaw nilang mag-take ng risk. And the reason why, again, they don't want to take risks because they have the fear of rejection, the fear of failure, fear of na baka malugi. Kaya natatakot minsan tayo mahusgahan. Kaya nga, okay na tayo, sa comfort zone na lang tayo. Sino po sa inyo ang nakaka-relate sa sinasabi ko? Kaya that's the reason why hanggang ngayon, medyo struggling ka pa sa finances mo. Okay, bago pa tayo pumunta sa isa pang idea kung bakit tayo hindi talaga umuundad pa, batiin mo na natin si Earn Music PH, si Jay-Z, at syempre si Yan C from Mindanao, si JC and Yancy. Pang-apat na reason kung bakit naniniwala ako na nahirapan tayo na umunlad at yumaman. Because the rich know something that you don't know. Kaya may kasabihan po tayo, mga mayaman lalong yumayaman, ang mga mahirap lalong naghihirap. Dahil meron pong alam ang mga mayayaman na hindi po natin alam. And that is what I actually discovered. Ang pagyaman pala ay isang formula. Oo. If you know the formula of the rich, nako, magiging rich ka rin. Ano ibig ko sabihin? Simplihan na lang po natin to. What's 2 times 2? 4. 4 times 2. 8. 8 times 2, ano po? 16. And that pare-pareho tayo ng sagot. Because all of us, we know the system of multiplication. So, what does it mean? It doesn't really matter kung anong edad mo, kung anong status mo, kung ano yung race mo, di ba? If you know the system of multiplication, you and I can get the same result. Do you agree? So, where am I getting at? If you know the system of the rich, and you follow the system and the formula of the rich, you will also become rich. So, nagigets nyo na ba? Lumiliwanag na ba yung ano ba talaga major concern? So, my next challenge to you is this. Gusto mo bang malaman yung formula ng mga mayaman na na-discover ko? And are you ready to achieve your first million just like them? If your answer is yes, timing na timing. I have an upcoming webinar na swak para sa iyo. I call this webinar the 5 M's to make your first million. The 5 M's, yung itong 5 M's, ito yung formula. Sa webinar na ito, i-reveal ko sa inyo ang tamang proseso on how to make your first million. Ang tanong ko, gusto mo ba yan? Kung ang sagot nyo, oo, ito yung magandang balita. Itong webinar na ito ay absolutely for free. Libre po to. This is a free session that I want to give all of my followers. Kaya if you are someone na matagal ka na nangangarap, na sinasabi mo paano ba kumita ng first million para sa itong webinar na ito. Para makasali ng libre sa webinar na ito, click the link below or on top or just type the word million in the comment section. If you're watching me from Facebook naman, please PM me and type the word million and I will send you the link so that you can immediately register. Please register right now bago maubusan ng seats. See you there! Maraming salamat at sana naman na-enlighten kayo sa video na ito. If you're enlightened, please give me a like. Don't forget to share and subscribe. There's Chinkitan saying to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive. If this sounds like you, tulad Thank you for watching. If you want to suggest a topic or review that you would like me to discuss on the next video, please do comment below para mabasa po namin. Thank you very much and I'll see you on our next video. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.